Well, the mild weather continues for a few more days. It is going to be warming up as we see lows tonight in the 60s. From there, we're going to see temperatures getting back into the 90s here very soon. The heat index values will start to make it feel much more like summer as well over the next several days. And for the most part, dry for the next several days, too. Heat index over 100 as we get into the weekend. Could see an isolated shower on Sunday. However, these are going to be few and far between. I think we're starting to turn off the faucet as far as rain goes over the next several days. On the Stones Corner Pharmacy camera right now, though, it's clear along Joplin, and we've got 87 for a temperature. A calm wind, but again, this dew point, which is how we measure how much moisture is in the air, is still in the 60s. That'll start to creep into the 70-degree range tomorrow, which is going to make it feel a little bit more sticky outside. 87, though, at the airport right now. We've got 84 in Pittsburgh, upper 80s also back towards Parsons, and only low 80s around Monette. However, you add in the heat index, the humidity, it really doesn't feel that much warmer. We've got heat index values right around 90 in a few spots, but we're going to add a few degrees to that tomorrow, and especially as we get into Friday and Saturday. Clear skies tonight, warm air lifting northward. We've got a storm that's moving across the northern part of the plains right now, and it's going to stay there because there's a large area of high pressure across the west that's now expanding back out into the plains. That's going to keep the unsettled weather to the north of us. To the south, though, that's actually driving a weak wave across the southeastern U.S., and that could get close enough to us to bring a little bit of moisture across northwest Arkansas tomorrow, but really I think most areas, even in Arkansas, are going to be staying dry. FUTURECAST does show a few of these showers bubbling up in the afternoon heat, but again, the coverage is very limited, so possibly northwest Arkansas. Otherwise, temperatures tomorrow around 88 Joplin, a little warmer southeast Kansas, and the heat index tomorrow getting into the low 90s. So it is going to start to creep upwards into the 90s and getting close to 100 by Friday. We keep that south wind as well. That's going to keep the warm air in place right on through the weekend, too. High temperatures in the low 90s on Friday, and again, the heat index value getting close to 100 and then at or above 100 as we get towards Saturday and Sunday. There is a slight chance that we could see a few isolated showers as we head into Monday as well, but most areas are still going to be dry right on through the next 7 days.